Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye. Do you understand?
What's with this game and emos? No. Zadzai. That's a bit of a spoiler for a new video. Zadzai. Hello Zadzai. I'm Zadzai. Yeah, Zadzai. I'll try save up for the ninja. Teenage Ninja Turtle. What's this?
I'm in love with an emo girl.
Do you like my skateboard?
Damn, Daniel!
Chasing me. Okay, after this round, going off altogether. I have a surprise for you. I'll show it to you in 3, 2, 1. I like that song. It's actually, this video is not sponsored. So I have magical powers that can make me come back like Jesus. Why is the big fat man in a swimsuit? I'm actually better. I'm better than everyone in this game. I know I am because I'm the one that created it.
Man, shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Nobody asked you how to bitch ass thing. You better shut the fuck up before I knock your fucking head off your shoulders, old ugly ass bitch. Stupid ass bitch. Nigga, I'll kick your fucking heart out your chest, nigga. You better watch the fuck out, nigga. Stay the fuck out my mentions, bitch.
Did you ever hear of this thing that some people go to called Fat Mom Sundays? Yeah, I went to it before. The room was packed. There was only one girl there, and that was your mother. I can make loads of jokes like that. I'm actually not cringe. Do you know who's cringe? I don't know. Do you know that he wants to go to the back rooms? I was literally playing VR earlier on, and I saw this lad, and I said to him, "Hey, do you want to come down the big hallway? There's like a dead body down there. We figured out it was down there." And he said to me, "Do you want to go to the wheel back rooms?" And then I went for the back rooms. And then like sick, and he was taller than me. I'm not saying my head because I'm not posting. Look at my skills. And that's what you get for being cocky. Okay, thank you for watching. I'm a retard. Yeah, next video.